I've always wanted to know how the world works, and I've always wanted to try and fix things. And if I don't achieve that, then somebody else has to.
There are some things that set students and staff at Greenwich apart from everybody else. It's a commitment to being ambitious, being determined, being inclusive, and it's about achieving the best that they can with all the talents that they have been presented with.
University of Greenwich was my choice because in terms of engineering, they are one of the leaders in the country. It's a very good university campus in terms of the facilities provided.
So you can study everything from engineering and science to business, or education and health, to architecture and computing.
Since I started university, I knew I had an interest in ecology, biology and environmental change. The people that teach us are experts in their field, but they're also active researchers as well. So you know that they're going around the world, they're doing studies in countries like Ethiopia and Uganda, and they're looking into solving these problems.
We take the future of our students so seriously at Greenwich that we build employability directly into our courses.
When I applied for the University of Greenwich, it was a course that seemed perfect for me because not only was it the only university that offered a degree with football coaching, but it was also had a partnership with Charlton Athletic, made me a much better coach than what I started.
My name's Guy Penwill. I studied at the University of Greenwich and I'm now part of a team that won 2 Oscars for visual effects. I came to Greenwich because of the wonderful setting. It was London and I desperately wanted to live in London as well. As soon as I graduated, they gave me a job, which was fantastic because you've got so many other hundreds of thousands of students trying to enter the industry.
The University of Greenwich is fortunate and somewhat unique amongst London universities to have such excellent sports facilities, from our grass pitches to our sports hall to our tennis courts and now these wonderful artificial pitches.
Sports teams are the best thing you'll ever do at university. They are your family, they're your support network, and I know that I wouldn't have lasted this long in university if it wasn't for them.
The experience at Greenwich will be very different because we're incredibly supported through personal tutorials. We get to know our students by their names, having one-on-one meetings to support their knowledge and support their learning.
And you can come to Greenwich to see for yourself on one of our open days. Take a tour of one of the campuses. Try a taster session in a subject you are interested in and speak to the leading academics who will be teaching you.